Okay, so on our student object, we are going to create a date field. So we'll click on new here and we'll select the data type as date. Then we'll click next here. What data type does is it lets you create a date field using which you can store a date in Salesforce. The speciality about this date field is that Salesforce gives you a calendar pop-up and you can select the year, month and day from there. So it's very user friendly and it's easier to read. Some people would question that why can't we use a text field? Yes, you can use a text field, but then when you try to report on it, so somebody might give the date as 10th June 2022, somebody might write 10/06/2022, somebody might write 06/10 and 2022. So that way it would get challenging if you keep a text field to identify whether it's DDMMYY or it's MMDDYY. Hence, using a date field, it becomes clearer and Salesforce automatically converts the UI based on your locale. So if you are in UK or Europe, it would say DDMMYY. If you are in US, it would automatically change it to MMDDYY, right? That's why date field is very useful. Let's try and create one and then see how it looks on the user interface as well. So we'll call this field as enrollment date and we'll keep rest of the values as is and click next and save. So our enrollment field is created and it's of data type date. Let's see how it looks like on the screen. So we'll refresh once and we'll click on new and we have the enrollment date here. So let's call it Ram and let's say we give it 8,000 and enrollment. So now you can see the calendar has come up. You can select today, or alternatively you can change the year and you can change the month as well and say something like that and click save. Right, so now on the UI you see it something like this. If your locale is US, then it would automatically change it to 04/01 and the year. Try changing your user locale to US and you would see how this UI changes for you. Please share your questions, thoughts and feedback in the comments section and I'll get back to you.